Hey, how's everybody doing today? My name is Yuri. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a penis. So you take your pen, you got your pencil, you got your paper. Alright, so what you need is you need a circle, you need another circle, and then you need a long oval, and then depending on the nationality that you want, depends on the length, and then it depends on if it's circumcised or not. So if it's Jewish, you'll probably want to put a little divot in there. But if it's not, you're going to want a little head. So you just kind of extend it a little bit. Add in another line. Just like this. And now you have a head. And then if you want, it could either be shaved, or you just add a few little, make it look like a bunch of suns. Then you can add another one here, right here, and then obviously finish it off with a line, and there you go. That is your penis. Is that beautiful or what? It won't focus, but you get the idea. It's a penis. I don't know how to focus this thing. Beautiful. Okay, there we go. It's a penis.